So, sir, first the whole idea of biopic comes to you, and what was your first reaction?
Initially when he spoke about the biopic, I was like, it's something that's floating, it will take its time and everything like that. So I was like, I didn't pay much attention. But within a month he came back, okay, it's done. So I was like, done means? He's like, no, we have already done the deal and everything is happening. So, I never thought it will happen so quickly. I thought it will take its own time. So I never put my brains into it as to, okay, not now or later or whatever. But once he said, okay, it's done now, you have to tell the story and everything to the script writer and everything. So it came as a surprise to me, and it was too late to actually back off. So I was like, okay, now it's done, so we have to go ahead with it. But it was slightly different, when you're talking to somebody about your life, throughout what has happened at what point of time and everything. The past actually, it comes in front of your eyes. You actually start living the past. So it was a very different feeling, but now it's there. Sushant and the whole cast, along with Neeraj, has worked brilliantly in the movie, and I think it has come out really well.
And what do you want to say about Sushant's work in this movie?
Well, I feel he's a tremendous actor. When I think he's somebody who really gets into the character. I think that's the case with most of the actors. When you talked about him being me,
yeah,
and not coming out of it, I think it's very difficult for him, because the moment he will be doing the next movie, he has to get into the character.
Exactly.
So I just hope that he gets out of me and gets into the new character, because let's say if he's making a Bhumukesh Bakshi 2, you don't want an MS Dhoni acting in the Bhumukesh Bakshi movie.
You don't want him working like this.
And all, he has worked really hard on his cricket. I think he practiced more than 4 to 5 months. 6 months?
9 months.
Okay. So 9 months.
So it's like a baby, delivering a baby. 9 months, he's delivering one more time.
So obviously he's very happy. And he was like batting close to 2.5 hours every day, including the wicket keeping. He never complained about batting. His only complaint was, wicket keeping, first of all, you have to squat a lot. It's like a punishment in itself. And then when you get hit with the ball, he was always like, oh, my fingers are hurting, the coach made me do those extra drills, and, my fingers are really hurting right now. So I told him, very simple, catch the ball right, it won't hurt your fingers.
Sir, அது பண்ணி முடிச்சிட்டாவே எல்லாரும் தோனி ஆடுவோமே. நாங்கெல்லாம் கிழிச்ச கோணியா இருக்கிறது காரணமே அது முடியாதனால தானே. I said, if it was that easy, we would have all done it, sir. Only one Dhoni can do it. Okay, so before I move into my next question, I have a very special guest who's come, a very small kids who hear, because Dhoni sir, when we say something, none of the kids listen. But somebody like Dhoni says, they want to listen every single thing what you say. So I've got two adorable kids here. Can you please come? They want to give you flowers, and they have one question for you.
Were you naughty when you were in school?
I think all of us are naughty when we are kids. What's still important is there are certain things you can do, and there are a lot of things that you are not supposed to do. So I feel I was naughty, I was mischievous, but still I followed those guidelines. So, I always listened to my parents and the teachers, and, try to do what they wanted me to do. So, honestly, we all commit mistakes, and that's part and parcel. So I feel this is the age where you have to be naughty, but at the same time, you have to listen to your parents and your teachers.
Actor Surya sir's daughter and son. This is Diya. This is Dev.
I'm a big fan of your dad. And I watched Singham in Hindi first. And then somebody told me the Tamil version is even better. So I watched the whole movie with subtitles. There are a lot of things about Chennai, but I feel firstly to start off it's the people. Because the city is what it is because of the people. So I always felt it was a very special place. The people were very special. It's my second home, of course. I've played a lot of cricket here. My test debut was here. And And also, you know, when you talk about biryani, I felt Chennai biryani was special in its own way.
Can I ask you, where did you enjoy your biryani? Which biryani
So my friend used to get it for me, and it was slightly spicy, and at the same time it was very nice. So, you know, people talk about Hyderabad biryani, Kolkata biryani, but I feel the biryani from here is also special in its own way. The South Indian cuisine, you know, that's also great. The filter coffee, of course, and you know, okay, it's a place that's very hot and humid, but still they make very good leather goods over here. I don't know if many people know about it, but you know, the leather jackets that are made here and are exported are actually very nice. So I also love that.
So it's a very skillful place, and that's why we respect so much of skill in one person.
But it's just the people, you know, they're outstanding.
Well, thank you, sir. It means so much to us. So before I say my final thanks to you, I have one question. I don't know whether it is true or rumor, but I kind of heard it. You're like our emotion, but there's one more lifeline for us, and that is superstar. I heard you're going to meet him, or you might meet him. Can you spill something for us?
That's the plan for the evening. You know, I've played here and I've spent a lot of time here, but I was very shy to ask anybody to say, you know, I actually want to meet the superstar myself. But today I actually have the opportunity to meet him in person, so it will be a very special evening for me.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Okay.
I know, but I have a old favorite from him. So, you know, it's by the great man. So if I commit some mistake by not doing it properly, I'm very sorry. But I'll give it my best. I think I'll have to stand up for that. No, no, bad. So before the dialogue, you know, he has a famous move that he does, something like. So here's the dialogue. You know, I may make a few mistakes, but here it is. Ennavadi, Kannavadi. Thank you.
நான் பிறந்தது வளர்ந்தது எல்லாம் மெட்ராஸில் தான். ஸோ இது என் சொந்த ஊர். நான் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 20 வருஷம் மெட்ராஸில் தான் இருந்தேன். அதுக்கப்புறமா இன்னொரு 15 வருஷம் ஹைதராபாத்தில் இருந்தேன். நம்ம ஊரில் நம்ம அச்சீவ் பண்ணுற கிக்கு அது வேறு. எந்த ஊர் போய் அடித்தாலும் நம்ம ஊர் நம்ம பிறந்து வளர்ந்த ஊரில் நம்ம பெரிய ஆளானோம்னா அது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் கொடுக்கும்.